Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another plan with me and my A6 rings featuring my So Much Crafting inserts. I just really love them. So I'm actually planning super late and this video is going to go up on Monday. So these are the plans from the previous week and I have planned it out, and I actually did a plan with me for this week in my Erin Condren Daily Duo, but I wanted to plan it out in this, and I wanted to use one of our functional kits again, and I just wanted to like plan out the week because it's been a pretty good week. If you guys watched this past plan with me in my A6 rings, I was talking about how it's just been, my life's been kind of all over the place and I've just been feeling very down, but I have been feeling better this week and I've been doing a couple things to really help my mood. And yeah, so anyway, I wanted to plan out this week, and this time we are using kit 3 from my shop, and it's the same basic layout as the last one. So anyway, let's pop right in and get started.
So to start out, I am taking the bottom washi sheet and I'm just putting it at the bottom to cover up the 3 lines. Now these washi strips don't completely cover the lines, but you could just use white out or something like that. They do fit perfectly in between the top and bottom lines. So I liked that because it did cover it enough for me. But if you guys don't want to see the lines at all, then you could definitely use whiteout and then just use this, or you could double up on your washi as well. I did that in the last A6 plan with me, but with this one I just wanted to have a single strip of washi at the bottom, and I really love the way that this turned out. So the one main thing that I've been doing to help fix my mood, to just get me out of my funk, is working out. And I try to work out every day. Sometimes that happens first thing in the morning, sometimes that happens later in the day, but the most important part is that I'm doing some sort of workout throughout the day, and that has really been helping me. I also reopened my shop. If you guys didn't know, I had closed my Shopify, my website, for just a little bit, just to kind of get my bearings together and everything like that. So I ended up reopening on this day because I was like, yes, I've got this. I'm going full force. And I had a couple of orders that had come in on Etsy. I hadn't closed my Etsy shop just because I know that putting your shop in vacation mode can really mess up the algorithm. So I didn't want to do that. And I don't get a lot of orders on Etsy, so it wasn't that big of a deal to keep it open. But I did have a few orders come in over the weekend, so I made sure to get those done, as well as filming, editing, and uploading a plan with me and getting the $2 Tuesday stuff ready. We've also been binge watching The Big Bang Theory, so I'm really excited about that. That's my favorite thing at night, to just watch TV and eat dinner and watch The Big Bang Theory. It's just, I've been loving it. On Tuesday, I had to work on all the listings for $2 Tuesday. I also uploaded a $2 Tuesday video. And then the rest of the day was actually spent on my other YouTube channel, which is a cleaning/home channel. And I will have it linked down below if you guys are interested. It's all Clean With Me's organizing and kind of follow the journey as we get our new house, just feeling more like our home. You know what I mean? So I spent all day cleaning and filming for that channel, and then I did my workout, and we also had to film a children's church video. We do that every Tuesday because while things have opened back up, it's still not completely open, and we want to make sure that kids who are not able to come to church or don't feel comfortable coming to church can still watch the lesson. So we film that every Tuesday night, and that is what we ended up doing. On Wednesday, I needed to edit and upload the Clean With Me. So I try to upload on that channel every Tuesday or Wednesday, just depending on my schedule. But I'm only doing 1 video a week as of right now because I feel like that's all I can handle. I also edited the behind the scenes vlog for this channel, and I scheduled that to go live on Friday. So if you haven't checked that out, I did it a little bit differently. So let me know in the comments below if you guys enjoyed that style or if you just want my regular normal style with those vlogs. I also had 1 order to work on. I did laundry, and then we ended up watching Godzilla because we're trying to watch the Godzilla King Kong movies to prepare for the new Godzilla Kong versus Godzilla, or Godzilla versus Kong, whatever the title is. I don't know. It comes out in March, so we'll see. On Thursday, I ended up doing a Instagram vlog, behind the scenes vlog, and it was really fun to interact with you guys as my day was going on. So if you haven't checked out my Instagram, definitely do that, because I'm planning on doing that like once a week. I think that's really fun, and it's just a different look at the behind the scenes of running a shop and stuff that like maybe I don't share in the vlogs necessarily, because it's like real time. So I'm like asking you guys questions and doing polls and fun stuff like that, and it's just different and fun, you know? So Friday was James's off Friday, so he basically did nothing, and it was so nice to just have a day of like doing nothing, like literally doing nothing. Now, I will say it wasn't completely doing nothing, I guess. James had to do a little bit of work, and then we ended up having a family dinner, which wasn't planned, but you know, whatever. And so it wasn't completely like just sitting doing nothing, but it was still nice to just kind of relax and chill for the day. On Saturday, we were going to have a game night with our friends, but I ended up just not feeling the greatest. I was just really dealing with a lot of stress, you guys know, as I've talked about. And while I do feel a lot better, I also feel like I don't handle my stress well. And there's just stuff going on within my family, just within my life, that has caused me to be like just very stressed out. And I feel like it just all kind of hit me on Saturday, and I was just tired and I didn't feel the best. And so we ended up staying home and not doing a game night, and we just rescheduled it. But we were supposed to have a game night, so I used a cute little game night sticker. On Sunday, I got my Starbucks, which is kind of sad because it was my last Starbucks before starting the Whole30. And now that I'm doing the Whole30, there's not a lot at Starbucks that I can get. So I probably won't be getting Starbucks for the next couple of weeks, which is sad. But I know that I'll feel so much better when it's all said and done. So it'll be worth it. And then Sunday, we needed to order our groceries and pick up our groceries. I just living the lazy life. I don't feel like going into the grocery store, and I actually feel like I save money by doing it this way because I'm not tempted to put stuff in my cart that I don't need when I'm at the grocery store. So yeah, but that was kind of just the week, and it was a much better week. I am feeling a lot better as far as being motivated and like ready to go again, and I feel refreshed, and so that is really, really nice. But yeah, I also did something different with my sidebar here, and I really kind of like the way that this turned out. I just had like a master to-do list, a master like to clean list, and then I also put the bills that I had to pay at the bottom. So that was really nice, and I love the way that this turned out. So I will definitely be doing this again next week. Alright guys, so that is going to wrap up this plan with me. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. It helps me know that you guys like this content, and then I can create more for you guys. Don't forget to click the subscribe button if you've not already joined our YouTube family. I would really, really appreciate it if you wanted to join our family. And click that bell notification. That way you never miss a video from me. But that is going to be it for this week's video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.